Yeah, nothing. Nothing. I got that part, I think. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Push.
Yeah. Yeah.
Keep going. Stop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Push. Come on. Push.
Yeah. Oh,
More than you thought, huh?
thank you. Yeah. 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 Okay, now. Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you. One more. Oh, again. Yeah. 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 Yeah, grab it.
Stop.
Yeah. Yeah, one more. That's good. Oh. Whoa. I felt like way weaker than the first or than the second one. Goodness. That's enough of that. This will be good. Cable converging flies. And not the heaviest, because if I go too heavy, then all that's going to happen is I'm not even reaching the full squeeze. I'll just be moving around this range of motion, which not a problem all the time. But for this particular set, I want to be more squeeze focused. Those 3 of incline barbell were pretty like hefty. So this is a good contrast, right? Float like a, well, shouldn't be making an Ali quote. Do you know any Mike Tyson quotes? Well, whatever. Let's just squeeze this shit.
Oh, I can't feel anything.
Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah, okay. One more. Maybe just one notch heavier. Here we go. All right, come on. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah, okay. One more. And then we can move on to some kind of fly or something. Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah, okay. All right. Let's finish with some flies. Okay. So let's do kind of a nasty bent over cable press. A little bit nastier than those sets of laying cable press were. And then we'll just go nuts. Yeah. 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 Okay. Oh, let's do a little bit of a drop set. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, okay. Oh. I might have to migrate to wider cables. Let me think about it for a second. I lied. But with this one, let's do it in a slightly different manner. Fly first, then pressing. Which with these cables don't look, insanely different, but the fly a bit more stretch focused, whereas the press a little more squeeze focused. That's how I think about it, at least. And then this will be a little lighter too. Yeah, one more. There we go. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay. Let's find some mirror space. There we go. So here's what I'm thinking. I am thinking that I'm freaking pumped. Reasonably simple. But no, those sets of the cable flyer and the cable press, like those incline things, those I really liked. Like that's going to be a new, or not a new, like it kind of already is, but that's definitely another staple of these chest days. Just because it's so controlled, I mean, I was definitely getting some front delt activation on those finisher sets of the bent over cable presses, which a little I'm not totally freaking about, but with some of the more like bruntish chest work, I don't need any of this firing. All I'm trying to do is get all of this going, and when I suck my shoulders back, that's all I get to feel. So that's cool for me. But let's run through a couple here. I would love it if this mirror extended just a touch that way, so I could really be directly underneath of this overhead light. But this little angle will do just fine. Oh, okay. So, I think we're getting somewhere. No, it really is. It's just a waiting game of getting leaner and leaner and leaner over the coming weeks. But definitely feeling a touch more pumped than the last chest day. But I can tell I have a bit more food in my stomach than during that pose down, which kind of takes away from the, shoulder to waist ratio kind of aiming for. But either way, good lift. Let's get out of here.